Ito yung aming sinurprise. Kukuha na. Sabi niya, don't have paper, don't have paper. Anong papipilin mo? Dumiretso kami. Ayan yung aming sinurprise. Sinurprise. Ito na yung aming celebrant. Ayan na. It's a prank. Kumukuha ng papel. Hindi ko. It's a prank. It's a prank. Nakikipag-usap. Kukuha pa daw ng papel. Hindi lang. It's a prank. Ayan ang aming birthday celebrant. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you! Success! Yes, success and surprise! Hindi ba ba yan? Ayan siya, naiyak ko. Natawa ko. Kasi